Hi everyone, welcome back to Fast Scratch. This is Ali from MediaWeb. Now we're gonna teach Python how to make decisions. So first, we're going to start by some topic called the int. Int is a command or a function that we're going to use right now. For example, if I want to take the age of the user as an input, so I'm going to say age equal int bracket input, enter your age. As you can see, this bracket for the int, so I created the int command and inside it I put the input, because normally there is a difference in Python between numbers and normal text. Okay, so the numbers, in order to tell Python that you're gonna get a number as an input, you have to put int first, then write input. To tell Python like, hey, here I'm not gonna take any input as text. In the age, any age I'm going to enter, you have to consider it as a number. And we're going to test this theory. Okay, so we use int here because normally input gives us text and we need it to be an integer. Okay, so I can here check if age bigger than, for example, we need to compare age to something. So here we can think that if age is bigger than 10 or smaller than 10, so of course any comparison needs a number. That's why we need to convert the age into a number. We're not just gonna print age like this. No, that's not what we're gonna do here. In order to make a comparison, we're going to say if, okay, age bigger than or equal 13, for example, we can print, hey, you can learn Python. Okay, we can even put an emoji here like this. Hey, you can learn Python. Okay, what if I want to say if anything else, if this condition is not true, to do something else? That's right, I'm gonna write else, just else. Else means if anything else happened. So if the condition age bigger than or equal 13, which means else will be if age smaller than 13. If age smaller than 13, then I'm going to print open bracket, open double quotation, you are still our young Python trainee. You have to complete your training with us in order to be a Python pro. If the condition is true, Python will run this part, the first block. But if anything else, or otherwise the condition is wrong, or age smaller than 13, then this part will run, the part inside else. That's it, no magic. Let's try to run this code. Enter your age. Enter your age. Let's say I am 10 and press enter. You are still our young Python trainee. Let's try running again, one more time. What if I enter 20? Hey, you can learn Python. Okay. What if I want to check if number positive or negative? Then I'm going to take number equal int input, enter any random number. Then here I'm going to say if this number bigger than 0, then I'm gonna print number comma is a positive number. Okay, else else I am going to say print number is a negative number. But what if number is equal to 0? Then I'm going to use something here that's very interesting. I'm going to write another condition. I'm gonna go to the beginning of the line, write elif number equals 0. Elif is a mix between else and if. It's called elif. Elif means that I'm going to write here a second condition. If the first is wrong, check the second before executing the code in else. Elif number equals 0, print number is 0. Let's write something else. Neither positive nor negative. Yes, that's what I'm gonna write. Let's try the code. First, enter your age. Let's say 20 equal. Hey, you can learn Python. Enter a number. Let's say 0. 0 is a 0, neither positive nor negative. Let's say something else, like 12, a positive number. 12 is a positive number. Okay, let's try it one more time with the negative number. Age equal 0. We are still too young, yes. And enter a number. Let's try a negative number. Negative 200. Negative 200 is a negative number. So that's it. We're doing a great job so far. This is called the if conditions. Here in the if conditions, we check and we do comparisons. Like we have a variable that holds a value, we compare it to another value or another variable that depends on the program, and then you check both of them, and if the condition is true, you're going to execute something. If it's false, you're going to do something else. And that's it. There is no magic at all. It's just conditions. And here we talked about the int function. And here, let's write the if condition. Okay, so today was just like a little introduction on the int function and if condition. In the next video, we're gonna create some real games on using the if conditions and the int function. It's going to be interesting, so keep posted and don't forget to subscribe to MediaWeb. See you in the next one.